Imagine looking up at the night sky and instead of stars, seeing glowing rings stretching across the heavens. No, you're not on Saturn. You're on Earth, but Earth with rings. What would that even look like? Could we survive it? And how would our world, from weather to culture, change forever? Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Saturn's rings are made mostly of ice, dust, and rock. If Earth had a similar ring system, they'd likely orbit in Earth's equatorial plane, stretching thousands of kilometers across. But here's the cool part, depending on where you are on the planet, the rings would look very different. Near the equator, you might not see much, just a thin line across the sky. But the farther you go north or south, the more spectacular the view becomes. Imagine seeing arches of shimmering light stretching from horizon to horizon at sunrise and sunset. Cities like Nairobi, Jakarta, or Bogota would get the best seats in the house. These rings wouldn't just be beautiful, they'd change everything. First up, sunlight. The rings would block sunlight in certain areas at different times of the day, creating giant shadows that move across continents. This could alter weather patterns, maybe even create permanent twilight zones. Crops, solar power, and animal migration all would have to adapt. And then there's the night sky. In some parts of the world, the rings would glow, reflecting sunlight even after sunset. Say goodbye to pitch-black nights. But let's think bigger. How would rings have affected history? Would ancient civilizations worship the rings? Probably. They might have aligned temples or pyramids to match the ring patterns. Some cultures could believe the rings are literal pathways to the gods. In modern times, imagine how rings would inspire art, fashion, and architecture. Buildings shaped like ring segments, rings featured on flags, ring light selfies taken literally under the ring light. Even global politics could shift. Some countries might claim ownership of satellite space near the rings. Ring tourism might be a thing. But rings come with a price. Satellites could be in danger. Space debris and ring particles might interfere with communication or weather forecasting. And the biggest threat? Ring instability. If chunks of the ring fell to Earth, think meteors but more frequent, they could cause destruction. Major extinction events, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, could even be caused by decaying ring material. Earth with rings would be breathtaking and magical, but also dangerous. A constant reminder of the delicate balance that makes our planet so unique. So next time you look up at the night sky, just imagine, what if the stars weren't the only lights above us? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite space what if in the comments. Until next time, keep looking up.